Mathematics. Please welcome Ron Rivest.
Good morning, everybody. Wonderful to see you all here. It's amazing, 40,000 people. I remember when it was just 60. Today, it's my pleasure to present the RSA 2016 Conference Award for Excellence in the Field of Mathematics. This is an award given to pioneers in the field whose contributions and innovations are recognized for their lasting value. The selection process is rigorous and the competition is intense. Only the very best are so recognized. I'm happy to announce that this year's winner is Professor Uli Maurer from ETH Zurich, where he's a professor of computer science and head of the Information Security and Cryptography Research Group. He is an IACR Fellow, an IEEE Fellow, and a member of the German Academy of Sciences. I would first like to read the award citation itself. For fundamental results in information theoretic-based cryptography and analysis of cryptographic protocols and primitives. Let me elaborate a little bit. Professor Maurer has been a pioneer in the development of means such as privacy amplification for secret key agreement based on information theoretic principles. He has shown how Alice and Bob can agree on a secret key by public discussion, as long as an eavesdropper doesn't have perfect hearing. He has contributed in many ways to the foundations of cryptography, including a fast way to generate prime numbers and a universal statistical test for random bit generators. His work emphasizes the importance of provable security. He has, for example, shown that under certain conditions, the Diffie-Hellman problem is equivalent to the discrete logarithm problem, a very significant result. A similar result of his shows that a generic ring attack on RSA can be transformed into an efficient factoring attack on the RSA modulus. Both of these results lend support to the security of Diffie-Hellman and RSA. More abstractly, he has refined our notion of indistinguishability of cryptographic systems and introduced the notion of indifferentiability, a key tool for proving design secure. He has worked on many more aspects and applications of cryptography, including payment systems and public key infrastructures. He has guided numerous highly successful students over the years and has made and solidified ETH Zurich as an internationally recognized school of advanced cryptographic research. For all these wonderful contributions and many more, we hereby award Professor Uli Maurer the RSA 2016 Conference Award for Excellence in the Field of Mathematics.
Thank you, Ron, for this kind words. Thanks to the conference organizers and the selection committees. I'm ever honored by this award, and I do realize that stakes equates bit to looks to win such award, because there's plenty people out there will also defer it. I will use this opportunity to say a few words about my personal view, understandings of quality to change, and very mixed be my heading in the futures. Cryptography is the fascinating incident that's come to life in 70 with the seminal paper of Fitzy and Hellman and Bersis Tremel in RCA, and a couple of the foundation papers, and since then we have seen accounts from of intellectual beautiful ideas of the numbers predicting value, including public scale photography, basic signature, theoretic knowledge from a nervous depth, and cast so on. Despite all of this, and despite the facts the internet that could would not be wet is today with security and with disinfections, despite all of this, in my personal humble opinion, cryptography is not yet matters, and its good parts we have is adolescence. Don't get me wrong. It's the kids that any parent would love to have. Okay, it's brilliant kids, but it's not growing up yet. For example, how can it be that it's a few of the class and normal intellectual powers of the entry community that we still don't get things wrong. More currently, essentially protocol like TLC and other protocol gets frequently broken. They fix into files just to be broken again. Okay, I work with something is wrong. What is missing? In my opinion, that is missing is clean multi-layer theory that allows to bold application from cryptography protocol from clearly understood model and such the switching form of the operative flower immediately for the quite simple security form of the model contributes into such theory and applying it to the design and alternative security protocol is the key focus of current and further research. And this works is the encouragement is continuing longer path. To conclude, I would like to thank my collaboration and my PhD student work for the context source of this information salons and supports. And I would like to thank my father, Natalie, for her invaluable support. It is great pleasure to be a member of this excellent community in such a times. Thank you.